Enjoy the view of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 35,000 miles on this boldly stylish C300 sedan prioritizes power, efficiency, and refined luxury. From its deluxe cabin to its smooth performance and agile handling to its advanced driver assist tech and passenger amenities, this alluring compact gives you all the advantages. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. Give yourself the quality you deserve in this refined and luxurious C-Class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.